Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off share clip option on your YouTube videos. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then go to YouTube Studio, and once you're on here you should see settings on the bottom left, so you just want to click on that. Then you want to go to channel and then select advanced settings. Once you're on here, just scroll down and you should see the option for clips, and it'll just let you know allow viewers to clip my content. So obviously all you need to do is untick that, then select save. So that's how you can turn off sharing clips from your YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.